go to Google and type Scratch. So you will get this website, right? So find the scratch.mit.edu, click that one. So you will get this page like this. So here, since I already have an account, so I have logged in this. So you have to, if you're a first user, you have to sign up by using your email address. Okay. Once you sign up, you will get the page like this. Okay. Today's we are going to build a project called Pop the Balloon. Pop the Balloon is our project. Okay. So this is our project. I will explain how this project works. Okay. So this is our project. If you there is nothing that if you are uh, you can see the two buttons here, the green flag and the red buttons. So if you click the green flag, the game immediately starts. So there you can play the game. When you click the red button, the game stops. Okay, and you can see the scoreboard, how much you have, how much balloons you have tapped, how much balloons you have popped out. So I will explain the game. I will explain to play the game. So when you click the start, you can see the balloons. So how the game works is, if you click this different color balloons, your scoreboard will increase. If you click this red balloon, your scoreboard will reduce to -5. So when the scoreboard reaches to -15, that means when you click this red balloon continuously 3 times, -15, now the game will end. It will display the game over screen. So that's the thing. This is the simple game. Just you have to click the other balloons to increase the score. So when I click it, you can see the score increasing. Now when I click the red, so when I click the red balloon, it will go to -5, and when it reaches to more than -10, it will show the game over screen. So that's the thing. This is the game. Now we are going to see how to make this game. Okay, go and create a new project. So this is the platform. How we will look like this. So here we have 3 stages. One is block palettes, and one is script area, and one is stage. So these are the 3 stages. So the left sides, these are called block palettes. We just used to click, drag, and we'll drop here. So this is the script area where we will code to perform the sprite operations. The sprite will perform operations in the stage area. So if you click this, the sprite will move in the stage area. So these are the 3 things which you need to know in this class. Now after that, so our project is to make the Pop the Balloon project. So in this Pop the Balloon project, we have to make 3 different sprites. So first thing is balloons. So you can delete this default sprite called cat. Click this choose a sprite and there is, you can see the balloon, right? Click this option. So balloon, we want three sprites. One is red color balloon, one is different color balloons, and one is game over screen. Okay, you can just click it and you can duplicate, you'll get the other balloons. And you have to make the game over screen. To make the game over screen, you have to go to paint, click this, click the text, change it to red color, and type is game over. So now you can increase the size of this game over screen. And if you want, you can change the font of the game over screen. Okay, you can make it the center or wherever. So this is the game over screen. Okay, now go to balloon one. So this is the balloon one, should be in red color. So you have to go to fill. That is a red color, and you have to click this. So our balloon one is in the red color. Now the balloon 2. The balloon 2, you can change the color in the later. Okay. So these are the design concepts. Now you have to go to balloon 1, where you have to code for the operations to perform sprite operations. So first you have to go to events and take this green flag and this and place here. So you have to just click and drag. So after this, go to looks and make it show. So after this, when you click this green flag, the red balloon will show in the stage. So this is the meaning for this. After this, you have to create a variable, make a variable type score for all sprites and click OK. So once you click that, you can see the scoreboard is visible in the stage. Okay. Now set score to 0. There is a drop down menu. Click this and set score to 0. So your score will be set to 0. After this, you have to take the forever loop. Go to controls and take the forever loop, which will perform the continuous operations. The operations are, it should be go to random position, go to motions, and you see the go to random positions. Going to random position, it should wait for 1.5 seconds. Click this and type 1.5. So this is our first section of this first section is completed. This is which will make the red color balloon to move around in the stage area. So this is the code for that. After that, we have to make the when the user clicks the red color balloon, we should reduce the score to -5. So we have to make like, again go to events, take this, then take the forever loop, take one if block, go to the operators and take the less than symbol. So now if the score is less than -10, go to variables, take the variable score and change the value to -10. So when the score is -10, it should broadcast game over screen. The broadcast message is game over. New message. Game over. So that's the thing we have made in this red balloon. Okay. After that, again, when this sprite is clicked, change score by -5. So we have to make that screen also. So when this sprite is clicked, change the score. For score, you have to go to variable, change the score to -5, and change the variable as -5, and play the disconnect sound. So sounds, you have to go to sounds. So if you want to make a new sound, go to sounds, browse the sounds here, find the disconnect sound. There are a lot of sounds. You can use whatever sound you want. Okay. Now go to the code, change it to disconnect sound. So that's the thing. When the user clicks the red balloon, it will reduce to -5 and it will make a sound. So this is the meaning for this code. And this one is when the user clicks the green flag, if the score reduces to -5, it will broadcast the game over screen. So that's the thing which we have seen here. Now when the broadcast switches to backdrop, we should hide this screen. Go to looks and hide. So that's the thing we have uh, made in this red balloon. red balloon sprite. Inside the red balloon sprite, we have the 4 blocks, 4 different sections of code. So this section is for moving the red balloon in and around the screen, and this section is for displaying the game over screen when the scoreboard reduces more than -10, more than -10. That means above when it goes to -11, it will display the game over screen. Then this section is for reducing the scoreboard to -5 when the user clicks the uh, red color balloon. And this it will change the backdrop when the game over screen happens. So that's the thing for this red color balloon. So we have red balloon, blue balloon, and the game over screen. In the back side, we can also add the backdrop. Backdrops you can add, click this, and you can choose any backdrops around you want. So let me choose the let me choose this boardwalk backdrop. So I have the boardwalk backdrop. Okay, that's the thing in this. Now we have to go and make the colorful balloon. Out the same thing, the same concept. The only thing, the slight changes will be there. Again, go to the events, take the green buttons. So when you click the green button, the balloon should display. Go to looks and make the balloon visible. So after that, set the score to 0. Insert the forever loop. Move to random positions. Go to random positions and add a wait for 1 second. So that's the thing. This is the one section of the code where we'll make this blue color balloon to move around the screen. Okay. Now we have to, when this sprite is flickered, you should play the pop sound. When the sprite is flickered, you should play the pop sound, and you should change the score. You should change the score to 1. It should increase the score. Okay, there is a drop down menu. Click this and change it to score. You have to increase the score, and you can change the color effect also if you want. Change the color effect to 25%. Okay, so this is the second thing. Then the third thing is when backdrop switches to backdrop 1. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, it should hide. Looks and go to hide. Choose the hide from it. So when you click the game over screen, this balloon should hide. So that's the meaning for this second balloon concept. Okay. Now the game over screen. So when I receive the game over, you have to click this game over, and when I receive game over, you should make this game over screen to show. Looks and click the show button. It will display the game over screen. Then go to events and go to controls and take the forever loop. Now you have to change the color effect. Change the color effect to 25% and wait for 3 seconds. Controls. That's it. Now when the green flag is clicked, it should hide the screen. So that's the thing coding concept. So when I receive the game over screen, it should display this game over screen, and it should change the color effect of the game over, the color of the game over, and it should wait for 3 seconds. This will color effect and waiting will take place continuously. Okay, when you when your game is over, and when the green flag is clicked, the game over screen should hide. So that's the definition for this code blocks. Then this block is the same when we see in the red balloon. If you click this section of the code is, it will make this blue color balloon move around in the stage. And when this sprite is clicked, when this balloon is clicked, it will make the pop sound, it will increase the score value, and it will change the color of the balloon. So this is the definition for this code block. And this block is when background switches to backdrop 1, it will hide. That means when it comes to game over, this blue color balloon will hide. So that's the 3 concepts which we have discussed in this balloon 1, balloon 2, and stage. These are the 3 sprites. Now if you want, you can play it and check. Okay, so if you want to play it and check, go and hit the green button. So here you can see the balloons are moving, floating. So you can see the score is increasing and the balloon value is also balloon color is also changing. So so I got 5. Now I will press the red color balloon, and you can see the you can see the -5. Okay, so that's it. Once I gone to more than -10, when it goes from more than -10, the game will stop. So that's the thing. Okay, so you can click the stop button. Now you can make the game somewhat interesting. So I will show how to make it. You can just make some additional 3 balloons in different size. So you have to click this balloon, go to the costumes. Here we can add the different shapes in the balloon. Okay, so for that, click the shapes and click the color to white. You can make the 6 circles. Okay, just copy and paste. So we have 6 circles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this is our one set of balloon is ready. Okay, now we have made just the decorations for the balloon. Okay, so after this, we want additionally 3 balloons with different colors. So if you want to make that one thing, you have to just right click this balloon and you have to duplicate the balloon. 1, 2, and 3. So I have three balloons. Just we have to change the color of the balloon. Click this balloon, go to the fill option, and change the color at whatever color you want. Let me take it as a yellow color. Okay, yellow color. And this balloon will be in yellow color. Okay, and this one I want be in a green color. And this one will be in a different color. We'll keep it as pink. Okay, so we got 4 different color balloons and one red color balloons, and we have one game sprite, game over screen. Okay, so that's the thing. All the balloons will have the same code. Since you have duplicated it, all the balloons will have the same code. So this is our project almost complete. Now I will play. You can just click this green icon and you can play the balloons. And you can see the scoreboard increasing. Now when I press the red balloon, the game score is reducing, and that's it. The game over. Now you cannot do anything. So when you continuously click the red balloon 3 times, or when it goes above -10, the game is over. So that's the thing. Today our project has been done. So that's it. Now once you are completed, you can change the title of the project here by just giving pop the balloon. The project is pop the balloon. So this is your game, which is now you want to share this game to your friends or your parents. You can just click this share. Once you share, you can see the copy link. By just clicking the copy link, once you copy the link, you can share it to anyone. By just sharing this link, your friends will play this game. Okay, so it is a fun game where everyone can play. Just you can click this play button and you can play the game. So that's it. Our project got over. I will stop